body of knowledge of the 5 pillars. In the body of knowledge, the SMRP lists 5 pillars. They are called the pillars because it represents the different structures that hold up the maintenance and reliability organization. They need each other to support, and when they are connected, you have a good recipe for success. We're going to look at each of the pillars and look at the key takeaways. Remember, for the CMRP, they aren't asking you to be an engineer or a subject matter expert on all areas, but you do need to understand the theory behind it and how it can be used in the maintenance reliability organization. The first pillar is business and management. The pillar of business and management is taking business goals and translating them into maintenance and reliability goals. Understanding why the organizations have a business vision, mission, and strategy on how the maintenance and reliability support each other. Knowing what the maintenance and reliability key performance indicators are and determine between the leading and lagging indicators. What is change management and the difference between management and leadership? Manufacturing process reliability. The pillar of manufacturing process reliability understands current methods and practices, understanding analytical techniques to support manufacturing processes, such as total productive maintenance, Lean Six Sigma, and operational performance tracking. Equipment reliability. The pillar of equipment reliability is to determine the equipment capabilities and processes used to select and apply appropriate maintenance practices to ensure safety and cost-effective delivery. Defining predictive and condition-based maintenance, application of PDM programs, best practices inspection, and preventive technology. Organization and leadership. The maintenance and reliability organization understands the capabilities of the personnel and the qualifications of those performing the work. Such examples would be having an organizational structure, skills assessment and job task analysis, performance analysis, and how you are training your staff. The final of the 5 pillars is work management, to know how maintenance and reliability work together from the planning, scheduling, quality, and storeroom inventory management. Such areas may include maintenance workflow, work order management, storeroom management.